Welcome learners. Here Sarthak Educations provide you how to install Android Studio. This is CD Patil Digital Room Android sessions. How to install Android Studio. Here we are going to once again follow the procedure of UD methodology. First understand these 4 steps. Then remember only bulleted points and implement to your PC without any hesitations. So first step is where it is downloaded. So my friends, we already seen in first video our browser will provide where it is stored or where it is downloaded. So click on it. It will be display these files or exe files. So once again double click on it. Steps number 2, exe file. So we are going to double click on it. It is take a time, depends on your system configurations or system options. So third step is follow the steps, and then fourth number step is ready to for your Android Studio. This is the first screens. Welcome to Android Studio setup. Now I am going to click next button. It will be display 2 options. This is the optional, you cannot, but this is mandatory where you have to install. Click on it, next button, and then click on install button. It will be take a time to execute or extract all the files which is required to install Android Studio. So I already told this is depends on system configurations. Now we are already reached to the end of the point for installing Android Studio, that is near to 100%. Now so it is ready and completed with 100%. Now we are going to click on next button, and this is your Start Android Studio checkbox. Uncheck it and finished. And the next day or next sessions we will learn how to pre-configure Android Studio. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.